Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. Today I'm participating in Baking Spirits Bright with secondhand Tracy Ann. If you have not watched her channel, please check her out. I will link her down below. So we are supposed to show a tour of our kitchen. This is a kitchen vignette here that I did. Participated with This and That with Denise Jordan. Be sure to also go and check out her channel. And this is just a little card I put in a frame, a little tree I put up, and another tray in the back there with some Santas on it. And I found this galvanized picture at Michael's on clearance. And I have a little ornament that I have hanging up there from my cabinet. It's made out of a gold. Okay, we're going to start here in the dining area of my kitchen. I wanted to show you how I set my table. These are some plates that I've had for a while, Spode Christmas plates. This is a red Charger that I picked up. And these placemats, I really like them with the bird and the ornament and the trees. And have some glasses that match. And then, you know, I like my fake food, so I put my fake food on this 3-tiered tray. And there's my fake strawberry shortcake that I absolutely love. So now we're going to start over here. Now we're going to start over here on the wall. This is a sign that I purchased at a craft fair. I really love it. And this is from Walmart. Okay, this is my favorite part of the kitchen over here. I'm going to show you that I have on the wall. I have, I'm just going to give you a side view. I have a little holiday sign that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And these little gingerbread ornaments I picked up from Carolina Pottery. I think they were only $1 a couple years ago. And these two guys, I really like them. And I kind of went with the burgundy color theme in my kitchen. And these are some plates. Sorry about the shaking. Okay. I'm back. Sorry about the shaking. My channel's Around the House with Cheryl, so if you're new here, please subscribe and like this video, comment and share with your friends. These are some Debbie Mum plates that I have. There's a bear, a girl, a Santa, and a girl skating. And I really like these plates. They have little Christmas trees on them, if you can see that. And there's the snowman with a Mary sign. Okay, over here I have a little light with 2 snowmen in it. I got that from a craft fair. And as well as this little Santa here. And he has a little sign that says, I think, Christmas Memories. So there's that. I'm going to swing back over this way again so you can get another view of my table. Okay. Ignore this section. I'm going to show that on a later video. But we're going to swing up. I wanted to show you the garland that I put over my doorway. I put some little berries and garland up there, beads, and it actually has a light, a battery operated light that I have hidden, and I didn't turn it on because I wanted to let the batteries last a little longer. And my husband was kind enough to hang these ornaments from the ceiling for me. You see all the different ornaments. And that branch we keep up all year. So the curtains in the background, actually I got those from a store here called Roses, and the panels were only $2.50 each, so that was an awesome deal. And those signs on the glass windows, I made them, so check out that video. I will link it down below. There were some wooden signs that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Okay, we're going to swing over. I want to show you a picture that I have. Okay, this is a picture that I picked up a while back at a flea market, and my husband got it framed for me as a surprise. It says, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night." Isn't that lovely? It really, the frame he selected is so pretty. And this little sign I got from Big Lots, and it was on clearance before Christmas. It was only $4. Put the little candles up there. And then I just have some little snowflakes hanging there. And I'm going to swing back over this way. I just put these pictures on the wall. That wintertime picture is from a craft fair artist that I really love. And look at the snowman. Isn't that the cutest face? I really love this picture. It's a wooden picture. And it was a great price. I don't remember, but I know it wasn't a lot. And this I also got from the same craft fair years ago. I got it framed. And this is, look at the foxes and the rabbits. And the goose, or the geese, and the little elves. And there's Santa with all his toys and his sleigh. So there you go. Some more of those gingerbread ornaments. And that's a side view of what I did on the wall. That little wreath there does light up. And this is how I have like 6 little vignettes in my kitchen cabinets. And I have a video on that if you want to check it out. There's my Grinch Linux collection. And this is my Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer collection. Look at Hermie and the snowman. And don't forget Yukon. And I just put some little Christmas trees back there to fill in a little bit. And that's just a little glass ornament I had. And on this side I have some more of the Grinch ornaments. And there's only one that doesn't stand up. And here I have some more Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And the little Believe in the Magic of Christmas sign back there. And down here I have some more Rudolph. I have the little elves singing and Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Then I have these little teeny, if you can see them, little teeny snowmen. I just love them. I found them in a little box I had. I said I'm going to put them out. And some more little wreaths I just hung up on the cabinets, and they hang up there with the painter's tape on the inside of the door. And then over there I just have a little Santa on the wall. Here I have a little shadow box, I guess, house that I made. I just put some stickers and some little trees and some pipe cleaners and glitter and little embellishments that I had here. And there's an ornament there at the top. So there you go, guys. This is how I decorated my kitchen for 2019. And I would like to thank Tracy Ann for hosting this collaboration. It was really fun. And I always start with decorating my kitchen first and then move on. I will be back to show you how I decorated my family room and my dining room with my Christmas tree. And these little guys move and light up. I don't know if you can see it. You see one? Look, there's one that just kind of slow moving. but he's moving. I've had these guys for a long time, and I hope to have them years more. I hope they keep moving. This is the one that doesn't move, but I still like them. Okay, here's a little snowman. It's kind of dark, but I put him on the window. My husband did anyway. And there's the ho 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 sign by that same artist that did the snowman and the Merry Christmas sign. So there you go, guys. Thanks again, Tracy Ann. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone. Thanks again so much for watching. Appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.